Welcome friends. In this video I'm going to do technical analysis of Ocean protocol and definitely going to tell you my next long duration targets, my next medium duration targets and my next immediate short term target for this token right now. So please thumbs up the like button, please subscribe my YouTube channel, join my Telegram channel for more informative content and very useful information. Links are in this video's description. This is the CoinGecko page of Ocean protocol and it is currently trading at $1.41. Price increase for 6.4% in 24 hours and current rank of this token is 102 and market cap of this token is 589 million. 24-hour trading volume of this token is 164 million and total circulating supply of this token is 419 million. Here you can see this, and 24-hour low price is 1.32 and 24-hour high price is $1.44. And this is the website. Once you click on this, it will lead you to the website. This is the website. You can visit by on. And Ocean protocol unlocks the value of data. Data owners and consumer use Ocean Market app to publish, discover and consume data assets in a secure, privacy preserving fashion. Ocean holders stake liquidity to data pools. Developers use Ocean libraries to build their own data, wallet, exchanges, and more. Ocean data tokens turn data into data assets. These are some information regarding to this token. You can read by on, and you can visit this website. But before investing, please do your own research. I will not responsible any of your trading loss, any of your investment, because trading is always very risky. Cryptocurrency is very risky and very volatile. I am not a financial advisor. This video is just for informational purpose only. And let's dive into some informations. In 1 year, this token gives 4,444% gain to its holder. Very good return. And return on investment, here you can see 1,073%, which is very high. And market cap of this token, market cap dominance of this token is 0.03 Ocean, and volume of, according to the market cap, is 0.2821, and 24-hour all-time high of this token was $1.67 was on March 7, 2021, just 7 days ago, and all-time low of this token was 0.01284832, and it was on August 11, 2029. And this token is available on these exchanges like Binance, DigiFinex, and VCC, HitBTC, and some other exchanges. If you want to trade on Binance and if you want to buy this token in Binance exchange, then please go to this video's description where you can get the link of Binance exchange. Just click on this link and create your account within 30 seconds. It takes only 30 seconds. And if you want to collect some small gems, small altcoins, then you have to open an account on Hotbit. This is the link of Hotbit exchange. Just click on this link and create your account. And if you want to do leverage trading, then this is the link of Bybit exchange. Just click on this link and create your account within 30 seconds. And let's dive into the chart of this token, and let me please tell you my immediate short-term targets first, and then definitely I will tell you my long duration and medium duration targets too. So please stay in this video and please thumbs up the like button right now. Ocean protocol is currently at $1.40. This is the Ocean Tether US 4-hour Binance chart, and it is in this falling channel, and you can say descending channel, and it was rejected from that zone. This is the horizontal resistance, and it is at $1.527, and now it is it tries to break this horizontal resistance but fails. Here you can see this is the upper trend line. Ocean protocol tries to break this but fails several times. And let me please tell you my next target. According to the pattern, this is the bullish pattern, I think, and I'm sure that. And let me tell you my first target. Once it broke this upper trend line and horizontal resistance, then our first target will be this zone. $1.74 is our next target. This is the immediate short-term target for the Ocean protocol and token. And let me please tell you my next target for this token. Once this token break its all-time high, which is at $1.687, then it will go to this zone. This is my second target. $2.32 is my second target for the Ocean protocol right now, and these are two targets currently. And let me please tell you my medium duration and long duration target for this token right now. I have to arrange this chart, so please let me do this, and please stay in this video. This is the all-time high of Ocean token in Ocean protocol in Binance chart is 1.68, and all-time low is $0.239 in this chart. And let me please tell you. This is the resistance point according to the Fibonacci. It is 0.78 level of Fibonacci, and price is $1.38. This is the main support for the Ocean protocol right now. And let me please tell you my next target. These targets are, I think, Ocean protocol can hit within 2021. I think so. These are the targets. Let me please tell you. $6 is my target for the next 6 months. I think it should have to hit this target and should have to give you approximately 350% gain. I think it is very realistic target within this bull run, and within this 6 month. I think it should have to hit $6 mark in 6 months. And my last target for 2021 is that maybe it is going to hit $10 within 2021 in this bull run, and it will give you 600%. And if you want to hold it for the long term, then you should have to hold it for 2 years, I think, and definitely it should have to give you this. Is my prediction, and let me please tell you. $15 is my prediction for 2022. Within 2022, it have to hit $15.5 or maybe $16, and should have to give you 1000% gain. This is very realistic targets. I think within 6 months, I think it should have to hit the $6 mark price, and then definitely it should have to hit $10 within 2021. This is my last target for 2021 is $10, and my long duration target is this $15, 15.5 or maybe $16 within 2022. These are the targets. I think this token can give you 1000% profit within these 2 years. I think so. This is not a financial advice. This is not a investment advice. This is just my technical knowledge that I am sharing with you. So please, before investing, do your own research, and I will not responsible any of your loss. This video is just for informational purpose only. And if you want to buy this token from these exchanges from Binance, then click on this link and create your account. And if you want to buy some small hidden gems, then you can go to Hotbit. And if you want to do leverage trading, then click on this link and create your account in Bybit exchange. Thanks for the watching, friends.